Hi everyone! Welcome back to my channel.
So today I'm gonna help my grandma make Karioka.
Okay, let's begin. Come on.
See, these are the ingredients.
Yes. The rice flour, glutinous rice flour, oil, baking powder, baking soda, coconut milk, and desiccated coconut. And for the caramel, coconut milk, water, and brown sugar. Let's begin. Come on. First, put the glutinous flour, the rice flour. Yes. The baking powder, this one, the baking powder. The baking soda, the baking soda. Give me the baking soda, this one. This one. Give me the desiccated coconut, this one. Yeah. You put. Mix. You mix. Want to try it? Mix. And the coconut milk. Where's the coconut milk? Yeah, be careful. Yes. Hold it. Mix again. Want to mix in your hand?
Mix it with my hand?
Did you wash it? Huh? Wash first. You wash first. Oh. Did you wash your hand?
I already did wash my hands.
Okay. Go.
What? It's like Play-Doh.
Like Play-Doh. Like that.
You're going to need with my watch.
Yeah, like that. You sing pa, huh? Dito. Here, you put in this one. This one. Okay. Oh, wait. And then, we will put the oil. Get the oil, put in here. Yeah. Para hindi siya dry. One. Like that. Like that first, like that. Like that. Yeah, just only one. And then fold, press, fold, press, and fold, press. And then put in here. Oh, wait. Yan muna natin to. Cut in the middle, huh? Okay, you cut in the middle. Just in the middle.
Be careful.
Here. In the middle. There. Oh, wait. divided into 6. Oh, and just cut the middle 3. Cut in 3. In 3, 1, and this one 2. Okay, and then 1, 2. Okay. And now you roll like this. Yeah, like that. Go, this one. Not too much. Yeah. Just press.
Oh.
Yeah, that's it. That's good. It's good. Yeah, it's good. And then put in here. Almost done. It's time to fry. Make sure when you fry it, it has space in between. After 5 minutes, once golden brown, remove from oil. Now let's make a caramel sauce. Add the sugar, the brown sugar. Add the coconut milk and water. Once the caramel is thick like this, it's done. Next, dip the Karioka in the caramel sauce.
Yeah, can we make it even and give one of the rejects to me?
Okay. Good. Oh, one more sweet.
Thank you for watching. This is our Karioka. Momsy, can I eat it now?
Yeah, sure. Please like and subscribe to my channel, Momsy Alice Kitchen. Bye.